Is he your favorite because he's treat you more like a woman than other guy? This is the question.
Yeah. Okay, answer it. Sabi niya, favorite mo daw
Daw yung
siya kasi trinatrato ka niya like a woman
babae ba?
kaysa
Sa
sa
ibang
ibang lalaki.
lalaki.
Answer na. That's question there is all for you.
Tinatrato niya ako bilang
Oo.
isang
Yung ano ba daw, yung reason that is he your favorite dahil trinatato ka niyang mukhang babae, like a woman kaysa sa ibang lalaki?
yes,
Yes daw. He said. She said. Do you prefer calling she or he?
she.
Okay, she said. She said. So, I thought the other black guy treat you the same, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. The reason daw why he that's her in love with him and his favorite because that guy is giving him a good performance. She's really satisfied.
Satisfied.